The stock market posted a big first half gain this year, so many investors are torn about where we go from here. Is now a good time to invest? Here's what history tells us a positive first half means for the rest of 2023. After a down year in 2022, the market has rebounded strongly in 2023 with some impressive year-to-date gains of around 15% on the S&P 500 and an astounding 37% on the Nasdaq 100. According to research over at CFRA, when the stock market is up for the first half of the year, history tells us that we can expect gains in the second half 72% of the time. Even better, in the 22 instances since 1950 that the S&P 500 is up by more than 10% in the first half, the median return for the second half was 8%. And that's with an 82% win ratio, according to Tom Lee of Fundstrat Global Advisors. Taking his analysis a step further, if we look at the 9 instances when the S&P 500 was down in the prior year, but then posted a greater than 10% return in the first half of the following year, and that's our current setup now in 2023, the median return for the second half was 12% with an 89% win ratio. I really like this setup going into the second half of the year. So if you've been waiting on the sidelines debating whether to invest, history should provide you some confidence that you have not missed this huge market rally, and there's plenty of room to run. As a quick disclaimer, please note I am not a financial advisor, and Opportunity Stocks is for your entertainment only. Also, please note history is no guarantee of future returns. But if you're new to stock market investing or just want some free stock, I'm going to drop some links to some reputable brokerages in the description that offer free stock just for signing up and free stock trades as well. I have accounts at all of them: SoFi or Social Finance, Webull, and Robinhood. They're all great choices for a beginner investor. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash those like and subscribe buttons, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.